enemy submit to us. You defy the nature, it fights back. Anatomically, I said that between the rectum and the anal opening, there is a door called the sphincter muscle. The sphincter muscle ni ile kamlango inafunga rectum. So when reflexes are taken to your brain and you are given a reflex that you need to go to the toilet to poop, it has to wait for you to walk, prepare yourself, squat very well, release that poop before it opens. It is called the sphincter muscle. Na kitu kingine nataka muelewe, the sphincter muscle si mlango ya choo. It is simply a body membrane. And when you also do biology, you will understand that body membranes, most of them are thin. So si kitu akili mlango kama hii ya chuma. Hapo uelewe hiyo anatomy. Number 2, your anal canal is made of what we call the anal muscles. Are we together? And the anal muscles are stiff muscles. They do not contract and they do not expand. If you allow yourself to be penetrated by somebody's penis, yes, that is fully erected, this anal canal does not lubricate. So what happens? They force entry. As they force entry, because we all know biologically that an erected penis is hard, the muscles are not contracting and they are not expanding. When you force entry, it forces in with bruises. And when they force in with the bruises, because of the friction between the surface of the penis and the inner muscles of the anus, you get a lot of bruises. In HIV programming, we say homosexuality is a highway of HIV transmission. Why? Because when bruises happen, there is a direct contact of your blood and the blood of that other person. And therefore, transmission is a sap direct to the bloodstream. When it becomes a habit, if today you expose your anus to a penis this size, unapanuka kiwango na hairudi tena. Next time you expose yourself to this size, unapanuka hiki na haitarudi tena. Next time you expose yourself to this size of a penis, my friend, inakuwa highway kwa matako. And you must get this fact right. Inakuwa highway wapi? Kwa matako. And then because of the friction, kuna vidonda ziko kwa anus from time to time. Then men, we all know that digestive system is an acidic process. Do we know that? We know that we have a highly HCl concentration in our stomach that aids digestion. And let me tell you that the concentration of acidity of that HCl is quite very high. Now, poo, it is a production as a way of a digestion that is very acidic. Therefore, when you have bruises in your matako and then you are passing your poop that is acidic, you then can imagine what it does to that wound. I want you to seriously visualize. Then, kale kamlango kwa sababu si mlango ya chuma. And also remember that the anal canal is not a long canal. It is actually a very short canal. So, si ati ni canal kubwa kutoka hapa hadi Metaini. It is a very short canal. My dear young men, when you do it frequently, for whatever reason you want, for whatever reasons you want, you take the sphincter muscle. When it is taken, you now suffer a health condition called proctitis. And I want to demonstrate. So now what happens? continue with your normal life. You have exposed yourself to the homosexuality activities. Your sphincter muscle is teared. When you take your food, digestion is done. Remember, all these are natural reflexes. Digestion is back to the rectum. The brain tells you you need to go to the toilet. Let me tell you, the poop cannot wait you to walk to the toilet. The moment the brain sends the signal to go for a relief, automatically kale kamlango na kufungia ndio uweze kutembea, uende you undress, uende uskut, it is not functional. Kwa hivyo rectum ikijaa na brain imekwambia wewe unasimama, maji inaanguka. Why? Just because you are not courageous enough to protect your anus just as an excretory organ. So I have a very sad case I am dealing with. I have a very, very sad case I am dealing with of a boy I got to interact with this boy when he was in class 3. Right now he's in class 6. Huyu mtoto kwa class anaanga kitako. That boy sits like this. He cannot sit uprightly like you are sitting. He sits like this. Alafu in the primary school, you know what used to happen? Ukisikia kwenda choo utachukua mkono juu, excuse me teacher, may I go to the toilet? Si ni ukweli? When the teacher says yes, na kuambia huyo mtoto kabla amkie hii kiti, he takes another 5 minutes. Akona kaptura kama hiyo yako. So what he does, anakaa hivi. Kwa nini? Kwa sababu huku amejaa vidonda na they are septic and they are painful. Therefore, exerting pressure on these fresh wounds seriously is a lot of pain for him. So anakanga hivi, akisema excuse me teacher, anakuwa yes. Before asimame aende choo. Look what he does. Na tumuko na vinyasa kama yeye, ni vizuri kuchunge masikio. Anashika kinyasa hapa na hapa. Then he stands up and walks like this to the toilet. Why? Kwa sababu maji ishaanguka, anaishikilia na kaptura.